Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening GarageBand and creating a new project so edits stay isolated. Import the audio immediately, drag the track into the timeline, or use file import, because working with the full file helps you pick the ringtone section. Once imported, set tempo and key to match the source so pitch shifting won't sound unnatural. This preserves timing when you trim. Make sure to enable cycle mode to loop a selection. It speeds precise editing and helps you audition short segments repeatedly. Once you have the region, use the cycle range to isolate up to 30 seconds, the iPhone limit, and drag region edges for clean start and end. You should add short fades to avoid clicks, then open the smart controls to apply EQ and light compression so the ringtone sits forward in small phone speakers. If pitch or tempo needs tweaking, change it very slightly. Make sure to preview on headphones and phone to catch artifacts, because subtle edits preserve natural tone while keeping loudness consistent. You finish by bouncing the selected region, use Share Export Song to Disk, and choose AAC at high quality, because the phone needs that codec. After exporting, change the file extension to M4R and transfer via Finder or iTunes, drag into tones and sync to your device. Once on the phone, set it in Setting Sounds. If it fails, check length and codec first, then confirm the M4R spelling. Sometimes re-exporting, with a slightly different bitrate, resolves compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.